The latest in our coronavirus coverage, another milestone today. The number of COVID-19 cases has climbed to more than 72 million. In the meantime, more than 873,000 deaths have been reported since the start of the pandemic.
Some workplaces are trying to make it easier for their employees to get tested for COVID-19 without leaving the premises.
They are setting up clinics right on site, and it is leading to some promising outcomes, not only for the employees, but for the companies as well. Houston's only TV health reporter Haley Hernandez back to join us with that story. Haley.
Yeah, guys, so this is a smaller company with a big dream of solving the cost crisis in healthcare. The clinic, called Hamilton Health Box, can be set up at your place of work, and they pioneered this idea at a local meat processing plant. I was surprised to learn the savings that it's had for employees' wallets and lives. Here in the Heights at Martin Preferred Foods, employees are like family.
Taking care of them like family and making sure they had the right medical care, access to that care was critically important to us.
That drove the relationship with Hamilton Health Box, a clinic that opens on company property. What it does is provides basic health care without copays, annual physicals, free x-rays, prescriptions, labs, and vaccines, steps away from where they're working. A tremendous asset during COVID.
Infections were high at plants around the country. We were very fortunate with Hamilton on site. We never really saw spikes in our employee base of COVID infection.
Dr. Hamilton claims they've been able to keep employees working by testing on site and provide guidance on COVID regulations. But more importantly, for the hardworking people they serve, they've saved on average every employee about $132 a month.
The employees are getting healthy. The employers are getting a population that can work better, they can work longer, they feel better when they work. You know, the irony of it all is that the company saves money by giving basic primary and preventive health care to their employees.
A nurse, PA, doctor meets with patients here in person or via this screen where all the instruments are tied to a camera.
If you'd like, we can look inside your ear right now.
So the convenience cannot be overstated, but it's also quite seriously a lifesaver. TAPIC has found employees are discovering undiagnosed diseases that can be treated before getting worse.
And now they are being monitored to be taking their medications and make sure that their conditions are under control.
And think about this, during COVID, when everyone's calling HR to ask, is this an exposure? Should I quarantine? Do I need to come back if the test is negative? Well, Hamilton Health Box was able to address all of those calls and take that burden away from managers. So it's pretty complex, guys, but cool business that they've